Today we have an AC no cool, so we're going to try to figure out what's going on, get this guy back up and running. So when I was down at the furnace, I noticed that the liquid line was really hot. Normally it is hot, but not as hot as I was feeling it. And as we can see, compressor's running, but this fan motor, nothing is happening. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pull the disconnect real quick, perform an inspection inside here at the electrical compartment, see if that's the problem. It's just not cooling off properly. So most common suspect is the capacitor. Hooks up to the compressor and the fan motor, essentially a battery. Most common failure on an air conditioner, using my meter to check in microfarads, and as we can see, I'm just getting 0 on the fan side, so that lets me know it's not getting anything to help this motor start. Check on the Herm side here, the compressor is starting, and so you see we're getting 30 over here. It's rated for 45/5, so 45 is going to be on the Herm side, and then 5 is going to be on the fan side. Getting 30, that's well below the 10% cutoff mark that we recommend replacing these. So he's got a bad capacitor, and we got to see if he wants to go ahead and make the repair. All right, we're gonna go ahead and replace it. We go ahead and just start fresh with new solderless terminals. These have been on there for about 10 years, so it's good to just start fresh whenever you're installing a new capacitor. Moment of truth. So that came on how we wanted it, but it didn't catch inrush. So try again. So I'm looking for the startup amperage of the air conditioner, LRA, lock rotor amps. If it's too high, then it can lock up the compressor, so I just want to make sure that check to make sure. This has been working pretty hard with just the compressor running, so we want to make sure that compressor's okay. 77.6, and we go down to the data plate. LRA is 77.6 over, so you know, anytime it's over, I like to just have a conversation with them to let them know, like, this is what I'm seeing, and based off of that reading, we recommend putting a start assist device on it to just keep that startup amperage low for the compressor, and to hopefully just prolong the life of it so that they can keep the air conditioner around for a little bit longer. Homeowner, and he'd like us to put a start kit on it. There we go. Go. All right. Okay. Everything's snug and secure. All right, so we got a new capacitor installed for the customer. It was starting up really high, so we went ahead and installed a start assist device, retested all our amp draws, and voltages, and checked refrigerant charge. Everything's looking good, and the customer is back up and running and will stay cool during the summer.